Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking salmon on a plank in a wood-fired oven. So I've got a lovely fillet of salmon here, nice and thick, lovely. I've got a plank of cedar wood here that's been soaking in water, and just pop the salmon fillet on there, lovely. Sprinkle of sea salt on top, and then some slices of lemon. There we go, and that goes into the wood-fired oven for about 20 minutes. Okay, so let's see how I've done with this salmon. Lovely colour along the edge there. As you can see, that looks pretty beautiful. I'm just going to flake it. Nice flakes, still super juicy. Let's have a taste. Oh, wow. That's so juicy, so tasty. You get a hint of smoke. Oh, it's beautiful salmon, that is. Such a good way of cooking salmon on a plank in a barbecue or wood-fired oven like this. It's amazing. Crispy bit on the edge. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful salmon. Pleased with that. Hope you enjoy what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke. There's a box down there. Hit it, subscribe. Let me know you like what I'm doing. Cheers.